mass of 1.5 kg. A mass of 1.5 kg. So we know the symbol of mass. So m equal to 1.5 kg. We can write. Okay. Suppose you have the paper now, you can write also. M equal to 1.5 kg of air is compressed. So what is the working medium? Air. What is the process? Compressed process. Suppose you want to write, otherwise leave it. Okay. It's not a data. Okay, leave it. Air is compressed. So compression process we have to keep in the mind. In a quasi-static process. So clearly they said it's a quasi-static process, so reversible process. Okay, we can understand that one. So compression process is a quasi-static process. From 0.1 megapascal to 0.7 megapascal. Simultaneously, I can open the paintbrush also, because then only you know how I am solving the problem. Okay. So in that problem, first we know that one given data, we have to write the given data very clearly. So in the given data, first data was mass. So m equal to 1 kg, and then air is compressed. It's a quasi-static process. Quasi-static process is a reversible process. M equal to 1.5 kg. Okay, then what is the next line? It's a quasi-static process from 0.1 megapascal. First we can write. We don't know what is 0.1, but I can write 0.1 megapascal. Megapascal is nothing but 10 to the power 6. So 0.1 into 10 to the power 6 Pascal. Better to convert everything in the basic unit. Okay, so we have to convert. Given data itself, we have to convert. So 0.1 into 10 to the power 6 Pascal. Pascal is the unit of pressure. Okay, let us see later. To 0.7 megapascal. So what is the next value? 0.7. So 0.7 megapascal. Simultaneously, you can write also using the paper, then only you can understand the problem. So 0.7 into 10 to the power 6 Pascal. What you are doing real time, no, like that, do that one. Then only you can understand the subject. Just like that, seeing you like a movie, no, you cannot able to understand anything. So write simultaneously. So my question is, what is 0.1 to 0.7 ma? What is that one? Any answer ma? What is 0.1 to 0.7 ma? These are, what is name of the property? That property is called pressure. Okay, Pascal, no? Pressure. So 0.1 megapascal to 0.7 megapascal. So initial is 0.1, finally 0.7. So P1 to P2. The pressure is changing from P1 to P2. So we know the pressure also. Next for which PV equal to constant. For which PV equal to constant. So better write PV equal to constant. PV equal to C. Clear ma? And then this is a compression process. Check it the pressure. Pressure is get increased, no? Once the car doing compression, 100% pressure should be increased. Check it here, 0.1 to 0.7. So the problem is correct only. And then the initial density of air. The initial density rho equal to how much rho? 1.16. 1.16. What is the unit? Kg per meter cube or mm cube? How much the meter cube? 1.16 meter cube. Nicely they given density also, but they said initial density. So 1, rho 1. Then find the work done. Okay. So now just go through the given data. Any doubt, ask that one. Any confusion with the given data? Mass 1.5 kg. Initial pressure 0.1 megapascal. That is 0.1 into 10 to the power 6 Pascal. Final pressure 0.7 in 7 megapascal. That is 0.7 into 10 to the power 6 Pascal. Then PV equal to constant. They are given one relation also. Initial density also they given rho 1 equal to 1.16 kg per meter cube. Okay, ma. We can continue the problem. So in that problem they given, find the work done. What we have to find? Work done. W we have to find. So find the work done by the piston to compress the air. We are getting some work from the piston. So it's a positive actually. So work done by the piston to compress the air. So what we have to write here? Requirement or to find or anything. So next step is requirement. So what is the requirement? W12. That things only we have to find. Suppose in the exam time, suppose you know the given as well as requirement, no, then 100% I will tell you, you can try the problem. There is no doubt you can try the problem. I'll tell you how do you try the problem. Third step is solution, ma. We have to solve the problem, but given as well as requirement should be there, then only we can solve the problem. Solution. So what is the formula for work done? Exam time, better to go through the formula. Without formula we cannot be able to solve. So work done. It's a quasi-static process. Already I given the very first important formula for this subject, ma. That is W12 equal to V1 to V2 PDV. V1 to V2 PDV. That is a general work done formula for compressed process. So already we solved this one. And then the last class, ma, we solved 4 quasi-static process. Constant pressure process, constant volume process, okay, and then PV equal to constant, PV to the power n equal to constant. So 4 process we solved in the last class. Now tell, our problem is related with the which process, ma? Which process? Amin? Gautam?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Our problem is related with the third process. So
Third process, yes, sir.
PV equal to constant. Suppose we don't know the process name, then there's no problem. We can use the general formula. But here we know the process. PV equal to constant. So what is the formula for W? All of you enlarge your screen, ma. Mobile or laptop screen, enlarge and see that one. What is the W formula? P1 V1 ln P1 by P2. V1
Yes,
V1 ln P1 by P2. So what we have to do? We can write the formula here itself. W equal to P1 V1 ln P1 by P2. So exam time 3 hours is there. 5 problem only you have to solve. So slowly solve. One time you have to solve, but that time should be correct. Hurriedly suppose you are doing, you have mistake also. You are doing lot of mistake. Slowly do. Enough time will be there. So P1 V1 ln P1 by P2. So now what we have to do? The formula and then given data you have to cross check. For example, here P1 is there. Check it here. P1 is there. Put tick. P2 also there. Put tick. So we know P1, P2. But V1 also we need. Check the given data. V1 is there. V1 is not available. Am I correct? We have PV equal to constant as a rho only there, mass also there. But volume is not available. But we need volume. So, but what is the answer? Where is the answer is available? Answer is available in the given data only. And one more thing, ma, everybody you write the given data. After that, you should not touch the question paper. Hereafter, you should not touch the question paper. One more time, suppose you are touch the question paper, you will get the confusion only. So to avoid the confusion, don't touch the question paper. You have to write the given data very clearly. What are the data required? Right. Requirement, right. After that, you should not touch the question paper. Okay. So the answer is should be related with the remaining property, because already we used P also. So what are the remaining property? Observe that one. Mass, that equation, and then rho. Okay, ma. So equation, what is that? Just observe how I am solving the problem. Exam time also put one line and then try. I can try the PV equation. PV equal to constant. I can try, because problem time you have to try only. Try. So already I said PV equal to P1 V1. That is equal to P2 V2, something like that. But in that problem, you suppose you are observe that one equation. We know pressure, but volume, initial as well as final, we don't know that. We don't know that one. So what is mean by that one? That equation is not helpful to solve this problem. Because volume, initial, final, we don't know any volume. So we cannot able to do that relation. Okay, we can come one conclusion. This is not correct. Okay, what is the remaining? Mass as well as density. So, okay, we can write mass, density. So, the answer is related with this two term only. So, what is the answer? Your school teacher, they may be taught that one, M equal to rho V. M equal to rho V. So, V equal to mass divided by density. So, exam timer, suppose you have doubt, write the unit, whether we can get the correct or not. What is the mass unit? Kg. What is the density unit? Kg per meter cube. So kg get cancelled. That meter cube will come in the numerator. So what is the volume unit? Meter cube. So our formula is correct. So sometimes you don't know the formula, we can derive by the help of unit also. So you have to use a presence of mind. Problematic time, you have to always use the presence of mind. How we can solve? Any clue is there, any equation is there, any unit, you have to search all the things. So V equal to M by rho. By the help of unit, we can clarify that whether it's correct or wrong. We are justify that one also, validate also. So it's correct only. V equal to meter cube. So our formula is correct. So what we have to write the formula here. So M equal to rho V. So V equal to M by rho. So what is the mass value? 1.5. And the density value 1.16. Suppose you have calculator, do the calculation and tell the value. So initial volume, so I can put V1. Mass is constant here. What is V1 value? Tell ma. Take a calculator and tell the value. 1.5 divided by 1.16. How much? 1.293 meters cube. Others also try like this. Then only you can learn the problem. So Amit said that value is 1.293. So now once you observe that one, volume value also we know that one. So check it the equation. So we know all the values P1, V1, P1, P2, all the values we know. So then our problem is easy. How? Because just like that we have to substitute W12 equal to P1. P1 is 0.1 into 10 to the power 6. Already I said you have to convert it into basic unit. V1 is 1.293. 293. Ln P1 0.1 into 10 to the power 6. P2 0.7 into 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6. So try that one. What is the value? Tell. What is W12? Tell. 51.63 into 10 to the power 3. What is the unit of work? Any idea, Amit Gautam? What is the unit, ma? Work unit? Joule. Work unit is joule.
Yes.
So W value is 251.63, 10 to the power 3 joule ma. 10 to the power 3 is nothing but kilo. Okay. Suppose you want right now 251.63 kilojoule, because 10 to the power 3 is kilojoule. So